this watch. This is part 2 of the unboxing of my Cartier. So I took out the packaging. So this is what you get. This is the main box itself, the carrying box, which is nice red, and the brand itself. There is a button here. So if you put on the button, you will be able to see the watch. There's the watch. What comes with it is the warranty and also a spare leather strap, crocodile strap actually. This is the special tool to allow you to easily manipulate some of the special pins to resize the bracelet. That's it. Anyway, I'll do a full review for this watch, and we should be able to see it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please follow the channel for more updates like this. Bye bye for now.